Is it a wetted? And why do you like wetters?
Because they got big legs.
And that one's called a tusked wetter.
They look all similar.
Butterflies are quite cute, aren't
A
they?
monarch.
Oh, good.
You love to see lots of insects?
Yeah, I do like to see lots of insects. I like to see lots of butterflies.
We do colouring in. I love mine. We have lots of colours.
Yeah.
My favourite colours are black, white and yellow.
Ella, do you like my grass?
That looks pretty cool.
That's nice feedback, isn't it? Yeah, you want to show your friends?
These ones.
Whoa. Wow.
You like mine? Wow, that's so awesome.
Okay, Nana, ask you if you're a cheeky monkey.
Look, you are.